So a few months ago, I got a new blow dryer. Looks like your ordinary blow dryer, but it's not. This is called Asani. This blow dryer is amazing. It dries my hair in like 2 minutes, and it's just so much faster than any other blow dryer I've used before. I love this thing. It has a removable filter in the back, so it cleans really easy. Has a hook. It has two speeds. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, two speeds and three different settings, which is hot, cold, and warm. It's anti-frizz control. Normally, after I blow dry my hair with other dryers, it is really frizzy and poofy. As you can see, it's almost straight, and I have naturally curly hair. So I highly recommend it. Again, it's called Asani, and it's on Amazon. So you can get one there if you're interested. I definitely would.